Hi, Ian Newton here from iannewton.com. You can see behind me the ocean. We're at beautiful Mooloolaba Beach on the Sunshine Coast of Australia. Now the thing about the ocean, it's very much a self-cleansing mechanism. And our bodies are to a certain extent. But if you're a smoker, if you're a long-term smoker, that system doesn't always work as well as it could, because we know that over time tar builds up in your lungs. The effects of it build up in your cardiovascular system and your liver and every organ, in fact every cell of your body. And so over time you accumulate this residue, to put it politely, and it affects you. It affects you a great deal. So the simple thing is, if you want to quit, the message I have for you is you can quit. You can quit using the rapid change process, which I've developed over 30 years. I see people in my clinic in the Sunshine Coast or anywhere in the world on Skype. And here's what will happen. Within a week you'll be breathing easier. Within 3 months your lung tissue will have turned over, because lung tissue has a fast turnover because it works very hard, like your digestion. And within 12 months you should have completely recovered from the effects of smoking, even if you'd smoked for 20 years. That's really good news, because it means that you can get back on your feet literally from day one. Your energy will increase. And the beauty is, once you stop smoking and you've taken that burden off your entire system, your lungs, your cardiovascular system and all the cells, then those self-cleansing mechanisms can kick into action more efficiently. And like the ocean, it will cleanse itself. Now we also know that parts of the ocean are full of plastic, and those particular areas can't cleanse properly. And that's a little bit like your lungs in the current state as a smoker. But here at the beach, the waves are rolling in and out gently, cleansing, purifying. The water is pristine. You can get your lungs back to that state. So if you'd like to quit, just go to my site iannewton.com. You can read all about it. Give me a call, shoot me an email, and you can be a non-smoker. Simple as that. Thank you.